So here we need to pass the content, and then the trick is in getting the ID. How can we get the ID? Remember, the ID has already been passed to this function, to the edit article form, and we can pass it to the form. We can here say curly braces and then article ID, article underscore ID, and then the article ID itself, article ID. And now in the edit form, we can display it. We can here, we can display it, but we shouldn't be displaying it. We just need to have that ID here. So I'm gonna say input, and then type, and then the type is gonna be hidden, and then the value. The value is gonna be equal to double curly braces, and then article ID, article underscore ID, and then the name is gonna be equal to ID. That's it. Now in the views, in the edit article, we can here say ID, and then the ID is going to be equal to request.post.get ID. And now that we have the title and the content and the ID, we need to get the old article and edit that old article. So I'm going to say edit old, old article. So the old article is going to be equal to the article.objects.get, and then pk, which is the primary key, and then it's going to be equal to the ID. And now we need to edit that old article. So I'm going to say old article. So the old article is going to be equal to old article.title is going to be equal to the new title, and the old article content is going to be equal to the content. And finally, we need to say old article.save, and we need to return redirect, and then we need to redirect to the index. And in case the request is not post, I'm gonna also redirect to the index, and we are good to go. Let me now save everything, and let me head over to the browser and test. Let me refresh, and let's edit the first article. So I'm gonna click here on edit, and as you can see, we have title and we have content, and here it says create. We need to edit this. Let me edit this as well. So here in the edit, I'm gonna say edit. So here I'm gonna say edit instead of create. Let me now refresh one more time, and here it's gonna say edit. Let's edit the first article. I'm gonna say here, this is the edited title of the first article, and here I'm gonna say this is the edited content of the first title. Let me click on edit and see what's gonna happen. As you can see, as soon as I clicked on edit, the article has been edited. As you can see here, it says this is the edited title of the first article. This is the edited content of the first article. So it worked successfully, and now you can edit even the second one. Here you can say second edited, and second edited. If I click on edit, as you can see, the second article has been edited.